Okay, guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is your boy Temidon. Okay, I've been talking about this platform for quite some time now. This Task Rabbit VIP, and guys, I've made over 75,000 on this platform. So before I move ahead, let me show you some of my payment history. Okay, some of the money I've withdrawn, and right on this video, I'm still going to withdraw. The last time I withdraw money from this platform is 16th of this month. Okay, so you can see all my withdrawals. You can see my withdrawals. What I've withdrawn 3,000. I withdraw 5,000. On the second day, I actually made a lot of withdrawals because I had a lot of referrals, and I actually based on the package I actually bought. Okay, so guys, this platform has been paying, and just to show that I'm still going to, why before I continue, I'm going to make a withdrawal. I have 28,000 naira balance, so I'm still going to withdraw. Let's say, let me withdraw 5,000 naira. And while doing this video, I'm just going to wait if I'm going to be credited. Okay, so withdrawal successful, guys. Withdrawal successful. So let's see how long it's going to take for them to withdraw, for them to process this my money. So guys, this platform will actually be paying, and all you have to do is to do simple tasks. I don't know why people are feeling that you can't do much on this platform. Okay, so what you have to do, let's say I want to do YouTube task. I'll come here, I will accept task. This is a way you can actually do your task. Okay, on this package I buy, I think I can do 5 tasks. I always like doing YouTube tasks, so I will accept. That is the second I've accepted. So come to active again. Let me accept another one. TikTok, that is a TikTok ad. Let me accept another one. And when it finishes, you could see that when I click on active, when I click on this active button, that is where I will see my task. I haven't accepted the task that I want to do. When I see the maximum I can do for that day, it's going to disappear. So let me accept another YouTube task. Okay. So I click on active. That means I still have some tasks to do. And let me do this Instagram task. Okay. So I click on active again. I still have tasks to perform. Let me do YouTube. Let me accept YouTube. So you can see that is just how you do your task. Let me pause this video. I won't accept all tasks. Okay, let me pause this video and accept all my tasks. So guys, you can see that I click on active here, and I can no longer accept tasks based on the package I am. Okay, so I've accepted all the tasks I can do for today. Okay, then what I will do next is to come to pending. Then I will have to perform all these tasks. I am actually on a very big package, and that's why I can actually perform all these tasks. So all I have to do is to come here, click on this video. Okay, so let's see the task that is going to appear for me, right? So once I do the task, this is no longer available. That is what this one is showing. So let me go back. Let me go back to the website. Let me pick another one. So let me pen down one. Let's come here. Okay. So let's see this task. All I have to do on this task is to subscribe. For me to do this task, all I have to do is to subscribe. Okay. So I'm just going to subscribe to Johnny Dre video. So what am I doing? So guys, I've already subscribed. All I have to do is to take a screenshot. Come on. All right. Take a screenshot of this. I haven't done that. I'll save it on my phone. Then I'll come back to my platform and upload the screenshot. Guys, I think you can see that I'm actually lively trading. I trade Forex, and very soon I'll be talking more about Forex very soon. So I'll be dropping video more about Forex. So let me just let me do my task. Okay. So pick that very video. Okay. And I can write down here. So basically that is how you do your task. Okay. So that's how you do your task. And I'm just going to pause this video because I don't want it to be too long. So I'm going to go to my pending and make sure that I subscribe to all this video, YouTube, and all of that. Submit it. And once it's been submitted, I will be funded. Okay, guys, if you have not joined, please, you are still wasting your time, guys. You are wasting your time. So let me show you packages that you can actually buy on this platform. Let me show you package. We have 3,000 naira package. Presently, I'm actually on the 100k package. Okay, I'm on more like the VIP 4 100k. And VIP 4, I'm going to make 175,000, guys. whooping 175,000, guys. So if you are still dulling, I don't need to persuade you. I get me. There's a reason why I'm not promoting. If you go on YouTube, okay, see, guys, there's a reason why I'm not promoting some other platform. It's not maybe I don't want to do that. If let's say we search on GMG, you see a lot of video and you are aware that VMG had just crashed. Okay, guys, it has just crashed. So there's a reason why I'm not promoting other platforms on my system. I'm only promoting TaskRabbit VIP. Just based on when I did my analysis on these guys, I know that they are sure banker that I'm going to make withdrawals. So let me just pause this video and see if my money has reflected. Let me log in back. So guys, I've logged in back. Let me go to my payment session and see if my payment has been processed. Guys, come on. This is 22 of May. My payment has been made. Come on. Come on. Stop playing, guys. Stop playing. So that's all I can say with this video. If you are interested, you can join the referral link. I'll drop the WhatsApp group. You can join the WhatsApp group. And guys, cash out while it's still early. See ya. Love you.